What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you my simple method for painting a warm light skin tone. It's quick, it's beginner friendly, and it works about on just any fantasy or tabletop miniature. Let's get started.
Let's paint.
Okay, I'm beginning with a primed miniature base. This head is primed with that Rust-Oleum 2X flat black. Love the stuff. After that, beginning step is 2 thin coats of Flayed One Flesh from Citadel. Don't try to cover everything in one heavy coat. 2 smooth thin layers will give you a much cleaner finish, while still preserving all of those little facial details. Once we let that dry, it's time for Guilliman Flesh contrast paint, also from Citadel. I like to thin it down with a little water before applying it. In my experience, right out of the bottle is a little bit too thick and you get some weird drying lines. So thin it down with a little water, let it dry completely, and then decide if it needs another. Most of the time I end up using 1 or 2 coats, but sometimes 3 if you want a little darker complexion or if the model needs a little help. There really isn't a magic number here. It really depends on how smooth your base coat flesh is, how much detail the sculpture has, and the quality of your miniature. Take your time, build up the color until it looks right to you. After the contrast paint dries, I go back to Flayed One Flesh, grab a dry brush, and lightly hit those raised areas. This will catch the nose, the cheeks, the forehead, chin, fingers, any high points, and it gives your skin a quick highlight without spending too much time on layering. And as far as the skin goes, that's it. The only thing left to do is a coat of Nuln Oil. But first I want to hit the details and the hair. So check out this next video where I do the dirty blonde hair on this guy and finish it up with a coat of Nuln Oil. Until next time, we'll see ya.